Hi, my name is Colin. I'm an applications manager at KEB America. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up EtherCAT communication between a Beckhoff PLC and KEB EtherCAT IO modules. First, we're going to go through how to import the KEB IO module EDS files. After that, we're going to go through how to configure and map variables to the KEB IO. And lastly, we're going to download the PLC project to the PLC. Let's get started. Make sure you have the TwinCAT software downloaded, as well as a Beckhoff PLC and KEB EtherCAT IO powered and ready to connect to. First thing that we're going to do is download the KEB ESI files from the KEB website. And the KEB website address can be found in the call out below. Once you get to the website, in the search box, type in IO. Under the technical information box, expand the software tab, and you will see a section called KEB IO modules. Make note that you will need to create a username and password. Once you've logged in, you can download the KEB IO modules file to the directory below in the callout. After saving the XML file to the EtherCAT folder, we can close the directory, and at this point we're ready to create the project. To do this, open TwinCAT. After opening TwinCAT, we will create a new project. After creating the project, the first thing that we're going to do is add an EtherCAT master under the IO section. In the solution tree, select the target type. After adding the EtherCAT master, we're going to select an adapter that will be used as the EtherCAT master on the PLC. Double-click on the EtherCAT master in the device tree and navigate to the adapter tab. From here, we can select search to search the possible interfaces that can be used. Before searching the adapter settings on the PLC, make sure that you are connected to the PLC and you have a route to the PLC configured and created. If you do, select search and you will see the interfaces found on the PLC. I'm going to select the X001 port. Select OK. After selecting OK, we are now ready to add the KEB IO devices. To do that, right-click on the EtherCAT master, select Add New Item, and under KEB Automation KG and C6 Communication, you should see two bus couplers. I have the bus coupler combo with 16 digital inputs and outputs, so I will add that. And connected to the bus coupler DI/DO module, I also have an analog input module, so I will add that as well. After adding the analog input module, the last step before we download the configuration and project to the PLC, we're going to create several variables that we can map to each channel of our IO modules. To do this, I create a new PLC project, and I'm going to add a global variable list. After declaring variables to the global variable list, we can now recompile our project and add the variables to the channels of our I/O module. And in this video, to keep the video short, I'm not going to link each and every variable to the I/O module. Once you've added a few, we can now activate the configuration, and if we receive no errors, we can download the project to the PLC. After activating the configuration, we can now log into the PLC and run the project. After selecting Start, we can now go back to the EtherCAT master in the device tree and navigate to the Online tab. At this point, you should see the actual state is in operational mode. You will also see on the KEB IO modules, the EtherCAT Run LEDs will be green. At this point, EtherCAT is operational and the configuration and setup is complete.